In this video, I will explain a trick to delete or unlink your cell phone number from Snapchat. This tutorial is 100% successful for Android and iPhone. As you can see, Snapchat does not provide a feature to remove your mobile number. But one trick you can use to solve this problem. Watch this video carefully. The first step, go to your Snapchat settings. Then select Logout. Select Create a new account or sign up. You need an email address to sign up a new Snapchat account. You can follow these steps to create a new account. In this section, you need to enter your phone number which is connected to your main Snapchat account. Then enter the code that you have received. Log out of your new account and log back in with your main account. As you can see now, my Snapchat account is no longer linked to any phone number. If this tutorial didn't work for you, please write in the comments your problem. I will try my best to help you. And I would really appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button.